Afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Goat. Had to cover it today. Some of you requested it. Quite a lot of you requested it in the live stream we did yesterday. But I think for obvious reasons we have to cover it. I mean, the volume is actually down over the last 24 hours, which is remarkable. And also a little bit worrying, but we'll get to that a little bit later. But overall, Goat is trying to go for all-time highs. Earlier this morning, we reached this level right here at 87 cents. The all-time high right now, as it stands on MACD at least, is 90.3 cents. So a little bit higher than the top we made. But what I think is even more interesting right now is that the whole narrative of AI memes is doing quite well. And just in general, AI agents as well, something like Spectral, bounced very, very nicely from the minor crash we had yesterday, and the same goes for Goat. All right, so I would have to be very bullish on Goat right now. A lot of people were calling for the whole narrative that it was ending, and that could also be a possibility. But given the situation right now, that we are actually gaining a lot of momentum as well, and that you can see right here. All right, because we finally have some real data on the derivative contract. And you can see down here, this data is not correct, but no, I mean right now you can see that there's just a lot of open interest coming into Goat. A lot of people are opening positions on it. It seems like a lot of liquidity is going into that. If you, for example, take a look at the top gainers today from the top 500, there's a ton of, there's some. AI memes in there as well. No, you can actually not see them, but they're not registered. I mean, if you go to the categories right here, you can see that AI memes are doing extremely well. Some of them are up a couple of 100%. Most of them, like GNON, is up like 80% over the last 24 hours. So the narrative is doing great. We actually do have new momentum coming in, even though volume is still a bit lower, right? Volume and the lack of volume, I mean the volume is going up a little bit, of course, but it's not extremely high, and especially also not to the last 24 hours, which does matter. So that's the only thing where I would say this could still be a fake out, right? Because that's the big risk. We broke above this major resistance level at 75 cents. 75 cents in my eyes is absolutely the most important resistance level and key level in general here. That's the main level to hold, right? So what we're going to see today is that Goat is probably going to pull back into that level right here between 80, which we have almost already done, between 80 and 75 cents. And if we can hold that, all right, if we can actually find some price balance on top of 75 cents, then I think we're going for $1. And then I would say $1 is even relatively conservative. And maybe we should aim for the 1.618 fib right here at 1.1. But I actually do think, looking at the structure right now, looking at the fundamentals behind the narrative, I do think this is most likely. All right, it's in line with the technical structure. It's in line with the breakout we just had. So therefore, I think this is most likely. Although I do think you should be careful here, especially in these circumstances where we just had a big liquidation spike. Market circumstances then are always a little bit difficult, I would say. So I would be a little bit careful for the potential fake out if we close back down below 75 cents. So keep your eyes on that level. For now, I would say this is most likely. I personally don't hold Goat, just so you know, but I do hold something else from the AI memes ecosystem, and that's child AI. All right, that's still doing fine as well, as you can see. So do it at what you like. Hopefully the information was valuable to you. I will keep you updated on Goat as well if you're interested in that, so let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.